walking a narrow road. The world feels tight, losing what's old as day turns to night. Each closing door leaves something behind, but a stronger foundation is what I'll find. Pressure is building, but I won't break. I'll use this struggle for something I make. Rise from the